Kay dili na ito patupay lo nang daw tong kuno customer. Ati nga la kami nagnanaad na diri. Ito pang ipangita.
Ano ko siya mo na di siya mani kay nay mo patay niya. Atin lang na ba?
To give the opening remarks, here is one of the academic awardees. Please welcome Mr. Junan A. Dugaduga. A hand, please.
Bay kani imong giuban siyempre po
Distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and beloved fellow candidates. Today, as we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, I am struck by the beauty of these moments. Our journey, a canvas of pure experiences, colors the tapestry of our lives and full of perseverance, friendship, and growth. In the classroom, we've sketched our dreams with pencils of ambition, shading in knowledge and understanding. Along the way, the steady hands of our teachers have guided us, the vibrant stroke of their wisdom keeping our path. But today, it's not just about looking back, it's about looking forward with anticipation. As we step into the world beyond this wall, let us remember that we are the artists of our destiny, equipped with branches of courage and palettes of potential. Let us create a future with boldness, each stroke a testament to our resilience and determination. As we embark on this new chapter, let us share with us the cherished memories and lasting friendships that have enriched our journey thus far. Congratulations, graduates of 2024. Today, we celebrate not just an ending, but the beginning of countless new adventures. Here's to the masterpiece that awaits us all. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you.